Today, we're tackling a common issue that many of us have faced: a dead car battery. I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step process of how to jumpstart a car. It's an essential skill every driver should have. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather the necessary tools. The first thing you need to do is gather the necessary tools. You'll need a set of jumper cables and, of course, a car with a working battery. Safety gloves can also be helpful to protect your hands during the process. Step 2. Identify the positive and negative terminals. Next, identify the positive and negative terminals on both the dead battery and the working battery. The positive terminal is usually marked with a plus sign, and the negative terminal is marked with a minus sign. Step 3. Connect the jumper cables. Now, it's time to connect the jumper cables. Start by connecting the red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working battery. Step 4. Connect the negative clamps. Moving on, connect the black clamp to the negative terminal of the working battery. However, instead of connecting the other black clamp to the negative terminal of the dead battery, find a clean, unpainted metal surface in the engine compartment of the car with the dead battery. This will help reduce the risk of sparks near the battery. Step 5. Start the working car. Now, start the engine of the working car and let it run for a few minutes. This allows the charge to transfer to the dead battery. Step 6. Start the dead car. After a few minutes, try starting the engine of the car with the dead battery. If it starts, great. If not, you may need to wait a bit longer or double-check your connections. Step 7. Disconnect the jumper cables. Once the dead car is running, it's time to disconnect the jumper cables. Do it in the reverse order you connected them. Start by removing the black clamp from the metal surface, then remove the black clamp from the working battery, followed by the red clamp from the dead battery, and finally, the red clamp from the working battery. Step 8. Drive the jump-started car. After successfully jump-starting your car, it's a good idea to drive it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the alternator to recharge the battery. If you have a battery charger, you can use that as well. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to jump-start a car. I hope this video helps you handle those unexpected moments when your car won't start. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive tips, and let me know in the comments if there's a specific car topic you'd like me to cover next. Until next time, drive safely.